One of them was the 5%, right? You kind of mentioned that, look, if you have a portfolio and you're invested in all kinds of different things, generally you shouldn't put more than 5% of your net worth in any one particular asset. And cryptos aren't any different, right? So you're saying like 3%, 5% ish.
Well, so that was specifically that was some surveys and research that some of our networks, some of our partners and related had conducted around kind of generalization around asset classes,
Hmm.
or specifically around the digital asset space. That's not investment advice. That's not tailored to any particular listener
Right.
situation. For some people it will genuinely make sense to put significantly more than that. For other people, it will make sense to put in significantly less. But that was what we were finding specifically around the digital asset space is that as an emerging asset class that exhibits low correlation with the vast majority of other asset classes out there, there's a very asymmetrical equation there where there's putting in something in the area of 4 to 5% has potentially exponential upside while also having relatively minimal downside to the health of an overall portfolio. Where, if the maximum that you could be losing is 5% of a portfolio versus the potential for really explosive exponential growth of the type that we've been talking about with Citi or WEF or BCG and analysis, then that's where that argument comes in. But that's
Hmm.
also consult your own, financial
Absolutely.
advisor, lawyer, tax person, all of the above.